telescopic backdrop is easy to set up with 2 people, but can also be done with 1 person. Before we begin, let's make sure you have all the parts needed. The stand comes with 4 screw knobs, 2 bolts, 2 steel bases, 2 sets of medium poles, which we will screw into each other, 2 longer poles, and the optional 2 short extension poles. You also need a Phillips head screwdriver that is not included. Step 1. Grab the long pole, a steel base, and a screw. Screw in the long pole into the steel base. You will need a screwdriver to completely secure the bolt. Repeat for the other side. Step 2. Grab the 2 medium length poles with the opposing screws. Connect the 2 medium poles together. Repeat this step for the other 2 poles. These will be your top and bottom support for your backdrop. Expand the support poles so that they are 8 feet in length. Step 4. Slide the support pole into the pole pocket of the backdrop. Connect the support poles to both base poles using the screw knobs. Repeat the step for the top and bottom. Step 5. Raise the poles to the maximum height. This is much easier to do with another person. And now you have your telescopic backdrop ready to go.